All right, hello students. Here's the practice session for the Protist Rap. Protista can be called the junk drawer of science because they're hard to categorize. I'm not lying. Single cell of many cells. Heterotroph or autotroph, like an animal, a plant, a fungi. They're pretty dope. Most protists are unicellular. Kelp is not. Some protists move, others stay in one spot. Some seek the sun's light with chloroplasts. Others chase and eat their food and they need to move fast. Paramecium. A single cell protist, an active little single cell. You gotta know this, it's like an animal cause it moves all around. Heterotrophic, always searching for food to chow down. Its food passageway lined with cilia that move to bring in food that will fill ya. Digestive enzymes in the food vacuole break down food, create energy for the cell. Food waste excreted through the anal pore. Contractile Vacuole moves water out of the cell. Paramecium travel by weaving lots of cilia, move 2 millimeters per second. That's good trivia. Like other cells, paramecium have a nucleus. 2 actually. Listen up, let's do this. Macronucleus, the control center of the cell. Micronucleus passes genetic material. Protista, they can be called the junk drawer of science. They're hard to categorize. I'm not lying. Single cell of many cells. Heterotroph or autotroph, like an animal, a plant, a fungi. They're pretty dope. Most protists are unicellular. Kelp is not. Some protists move, others stay in one spot. Some seek the sun's light with chloroplasts. Others chase and eat their food they need to move fast. Amoebas, another kind of protist. They can move too, but you better take notice of no cilia. Just use a pseudopod. They look like a fried egg. They stretch out like a blob. Amoebas' other parts match a parameciums. A contractile vacuole, squeezing water out. Food vacuole, storing food for energy. A nucleus, the control center rightfully. Euglena, it's greener, a third kind of protist, like an animal. No wait, it can be autotrophic. It can produce its own food like a plant can do. But unlike a plant, it can swim and move. Euglena get around with no pseudopod of cilia. It snaps a whip-like tail called flagella to propel it. Euglena has an eye spot to look for the sun's light. Uses chloroplasts to make food autotrophic, right? Protista can be called the junk drawer of science, hard to categorize. I'm not lying. Unicellular, multicellular, heterotroph, autotroph, an animal, a plant, a fungi. They're pretty dope. Most are simple, some are complex. Some can move, others stay at rest. Paramecium, amoeba, and euglena. Amazing little protists now that you've seen them.